Hi, welcome back to Trips and Tips. Me Narayan Vasudevan, and this is our seventh vlog number 7. 1 night, 2 days Tattekad tour. We reached Tattekad Budgie's Cottage, a 3-star resort very near to Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary by 12 in the noon for our 1 night, 2 days Tattekad tour.
So, just now we reached Tattekad and into the Budgie's Resort. So, Budgie's Resort is just 300 meters away from the Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary Tattekad. And just now we checked into the resort and completed the check-in formalities. So, apart from the normal check-in formalities, as usual, as a COVID practice, there was a health declaration form along with sanitization and temperature scanning. So, we completed all these things, and just now we stepped up to a cottage. It is a mud house actually. So, we are in front of a mud house, and with me, General Manager of this particular resort, Budgie's Resort, Mr. Abhilash is with me right now. Abhilash ji.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Budgie's Cottage.
Thank you. Is this particular resort is sharing the boundary with the forest?
Yes. One side is forest only.
One side is forest. So, which all are the sightseeing point, nearest sightseeing point over here?
First sightseeing point is Dr. Salim Ali Bird
So,
Sanctuary.
when we are coming from the Kodamangalam, no, we saw that some 300 meters away, one gate is there, check post and all this.
Yes.
That is the gate, main gate of the Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary.
And after that, second point is Bhutangatte Dam. Bhutangatte, that is...
How far it is, Bhutangatte
It's
Dam?
around 6 kilometers from here.
Only 6 kilometers. Okay, right.
So, 2 dams are there. Old Bhutangatte is there. You can go for Etamalayar Dam, no? There are good places, sightseeing places are there also.
Okay.
Then after that, you can just proceed to watch our Injatoti hanging bridge. That
is Kerala's longest. Okay.
Tomorrow morning we have arranged a jeep safari.
Okay.
So we are going to Kuttambura, then Puyangutti, Mamalakandam.
Okay.
So there are chances to see elephant live there.
So is this boating is available in Tattekad?
Right now, boating, the main highlight of Tattekad was boating. But for the time being, the shutters are opened of the Bhutangatte Dam. So from next month onwards, November 1, I think, the boating is restarting.
So from November onwards, the boating also will be there. So right now, we are not getting the boating in the Tattekad.
Yes.
So in the afternoon, after the lunch in the restaurant, we will move to Bhutangatte area. Bhutangatte, 2 dams are there. Yes. So after visiting this Bhutangatte Dam, we will go to the Injatoti, the largest, longest hanging bridge, walking hanging bridge, right?
Yes.
So after this Injatoti hanging bridge, we will come back to here by 5 o'clock, and we will utilize, or we will spend our valuable time in the evening here in this resort. In this resort itself, a lot of birds are there and animals are also there.
Yes.
So we will spend our time today's evening here, and we are requesting you to give us a campfire here in the evening.
Sure.
With amazing music and everything. So in the night we will have one campfire. So tomorrow morning we will start with the Tattekad Bird Sanctuary visit. We will have a short visit in the Tattekad Bird Sanctuary, and after that, after the breakfast, we will move to this Kuttambura, Puyangutti and Mamalakandam area. So it will be a jeep drive, jeep safari, and lot of possibility to see the wild elephants and wild animals. So let us have a break now for the lunch. So this is our first lunch in this Budgie's Resort Tattekad. They prepared normal Kerala lunch for us. Not Kerala lunch, it is a mix type of lunch. It is mix of North Indian and Kerala lunch. We can have the rice, rice is there, dal is there, avial, then paneer butter, thoran, papad, curd. So let's have this lunch from here and then proceed to Bhutangatte and Injatoti hanging bridge. So let's go for the lunch.
After lunch, we started our sightseeing trip. Our first sightseeing point of this Tattekad tour is Bhutangatte Dam, which is hardly 6 kilometers away from this Tattekad Budgie's Cottage. Right now, the purpose of this dam is irrigation, but government started a project of 24 megawatt power generation from here. We reached here in this Bhutangatte Dam area by 3 p.m. and spent around 30 minutes here.
Bhutangatte is a dam cum tourist spot in Ernakulam district in Kerala. This particular place is just 10 kilometers away from the city of Kodamangalam and 50 kilometers away from the main city of Cochin. You can see this dam. This is the second dam. Earlier there was a natural dam built by the unshaped stones, and it is believed to be constructed by the monster. In English it is called as monster, and in Malayalam we can call it as Bhudam. Bhutathankettu, it means monster fort. So the natural dam was there earlier, and the government built this dam to support that natural dam, and this is impounding Bhutathankettu reservoir called as Tattekad reservoir. You can see the reservoir over there. This is the government built second dam, Bhutathankettu dam, and there was traffic through this road earlier. New bridge is constructed over there just parallel to this dam, and is opened on June 2020, and all the traffic is right now diverting through that road only. There is no movement allowed in this Bhutathankettu dam.
After visiting Bhutathankettu Dam, we tried to visit Idamalayar Dam, but unfortunately, entry was prohibited due to COVID. So, we returned back to Tattekad direction to see the longest hanging bridge in Kerala. We have to drive 5 km from Punyakad junction towards Nerimangalam route to reach Charupara bus stop. This hanging bridge is located just 100 meters away from this Charupara bus stop.
Now we are in front of Inchatotti hanging bridge, and this Inchatotti hanging bridge is considered to be the longest hanging bridge in Kerala, and this bridge is commissioned on 2017, 25th October 2017 it is commissioned, and it is having a length of 183 meters and a width of 1.2 meters, that means around 4 feet. This Inchatotti bridge is connecting Inchatotti village and Charupara village. Inchatotti village is coming in Kuttambura, and this place is Charupara. This place name is Charupara. Now we are standing in Charupara, and it is something around 5 km away from the Punyakad junction on the way to Tattekad from Kodamangalam.
It's a beautiful scenic spot in Tattekad reservoir. We can have lot of water sports here while the Bhutathankettu dam shutters are in closed condition. With this Inchatotti hanging bridge, we completed day 1 sightseeing of our Tattekad tour and reached back to Budgie's Cottage Resort by 5:30 in the evening. Due to rain, we slept for an hour, and the visuals of this resort, Budgie's Resorts, we had in the night was amazing and is beyond the words. This Budgie's Cottage is nowadays famous as a wedding destination where we can comfortably host small marriages up to 100 packs. The facilities and the ambience of this Budgie's Cottage is perfect for wedding location. Nowadays, the mud houses are hot selling one for honeymooners in Budgie's Cottage. The Budgie's birds gave us a natural alarm, and we woke up by 6 in the morning.
Good morning. Right now the time is 6:20. So we got up early. This resort is very beautiful right now. The sun is yet to come. So many birds are here. You can hear the sounds. It's very nice.
By 7 o'clock, we went for a bird watching trial in Tattekad Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Budgie's Cottage provided us a very good special guide, Mr. Sanu, for our sanctuary visit. Today we seen 4 types of endemic birds which we can see only in this Western Ghats. That is a speciality of this particular Western Ghat. So can you tell me that 4 types of endemic birds which we see today?
Sure. That one, Malabar grey hornbill,
Malabar grey hornbill,
white-bellied sheepeye,
white-bellied sheepeye, grey-fronted green pigeon. That is a small one. Now you told me.
Nilgiri flowerpet.
Nilgiri flowerpet. Nilgiri
Flowerpet.
flowerpet.
That is smallest one.
So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
See you.
We already uploaded a detailed video regarding this Tattekad Bird Sanctuary, and the link is given in the description. We had our bath and breakfast from Budgie's Cottage after the bird sanctuary visit. We had a very tasty and delicious typical Kerala style breakfast from Budgie's Cottage. After that, we started our jeep safari to Kuttambura Puyangutti area. Kuttambura is around 14 km away from Tattekad, and we took a right deviation from Kuttambura to proceed towards Mamalakandam. Kuttambura-Mamalakandam journey is very exciting as we are going through a forest. We have to expect wild elephants and other wild animals at any point of time during this Mamalakandam Jeep Safari. This Jeep Safari will take 30 to 40 minutes to cover this 13-kilometer distance in between Mamalakandam and Kuttambura. By parking our Jeep near to Primary Health Center in Mamalakandam, we walked around 400 meters to reach our first sightseeing point of this Kuttambura Poyangutti Jeep Safari. It's Urlikuri Waterfalls, a beautiful scenic spot. We spent around 30 minutes over here in this Urlikuri Waterfalls and proceeded to Poyangutti area. Majority of the scenic spots in Poyangutti are the most demanded cinema locations in Malayalam cinema industry. Ever-time mega hit Malayalam movie Pulimurugan giving the excellent visualization of this Poyangutti area.
Now we are in Poyangutti. You can see the bridge here. It is called as Manigandanchal Bridge, and this river is going to Kuttambura, and this is the downstream of Perimbankuttu and Anakulam water streams. So we have seen that junction called Valiya Parakutti in the last video, that the water from the Perimbankuttu and water from the Anakulam is coming and joining together and forming as Kuttambura river, and this river is coming from there, that Valiya Parakutti, and this is going to Kuttambura. And that side is Poyangutti and this side is called as Manigandanchal, and so the bridge is called as Manigandanchal Bridge. This bridge is very much famous and this is a shooting location for different cinemas.
Our next sightseeing point is a Jangar, a manual ferry service, which connects a place called Blavana in Kuttambura Poyangutti Road and Kallelimed, a tribal village area inside the forest. It's also a beautiful scenic spot of our trip. You have to come here. You have to feel this amazing ambience, amazing silence, greenery, good air. It's truly a mind-blowing one. This Jangar service only for the people who are staying inside the forest. A written permission from the forest department is required for all others. After this beautiful Jangar service, we proceeded to another scenic spot on the banks of Kuttambura river, Anakayam. It's also called as Anakayam. This Anakayam is also a favorite shooting location of Malayalam cinema industry.
Now we are in another beautiful location here in Kuttambura Poyangutti area. This particular tourist destination is called as Anakayam, and this name came due to the depth of this river, and this particular river is the downstream of Perimbankuttu and Anakulam waterfalls. So you can see the junction over there. The Poyangutti river and the Edamalayar downstream is joining together and it is flowing as Kuttambura river from here.
After Anakayam, we returned back to Budgie's cottage by 2:30 in the afternoon and had our lunch. With this lunch in Budgie's cottage resort, we completed our 1 night 2 day Tattekad tour, which covered Bhutatangatti Dam, Injatoti Hanging Bridge, Tattekad Temple, Kuttambura, Poyangutti, Mamalakandam with an amazing off-road jeep safari. Again, a beautiful rain came to Budgie's cottage resort to see off us from here. Wait for a couple of days to see the detailed vlogging about this Budgie's cottage resort. Till then, bye bye.